too much pressure. Let's fast forward. Wow, it's the same one. Oh, different brand. Ooh, with the cap. How about that? Get my foot here. Let's see. Oh, nice. So, this is always the fun part. Getting the stupid thing to stay in there. All I did was push that in. It snapped. And then it made noises. It'll make noises. You'll hear water running. I just pushed this in and snapped it. I didn't get it on camera. But trust me, it's there. There we go. So, directions for use. Push button to release filter and pull old filter straight out. Remove grill cap or old filter by twisting counterclockwise. Twist grill cap and new filter. Remove and dispose of red protective covers. And then insert new filter and refrigerate and push until it clicks into place. Flush air from filter by pressing and releasing the water dispenser lever. 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off for 2 minutes. Run water for 2-3 gallons, 4 to 6 minutes to flush filter. Oh wow. Alright, well, I guess we'll do that.